Welcome to Kerala PSC Prep. Today's study notes cover Interstate Relations Articles 262 to 263, River Water Disputes, Zonal Councils, Full Faith Clause. Complete study notes on interstate relations in Indian Constitution covering river water disputes, interstate councils, zonal councils, and full faith clause for Kerala PSC. Constitutional Framework. Article. Subject. Art. 131. Supreme Court's original jurisdiction in disputes between states or between centre and states. Art. 262. Adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers. Art. 263. Establishment of Interstate Council. Continuing Constitutional Framework. Art. 301 to 307. Freedom of Trade, Commerce, and Intercourse within India. Art. 261. Full Faith and Credit Clause. Art. 307. Authority to appoint for carrying out Art. 301 to 304. Article 261. Full Faith and Credit Clause. Aspect. Detail. Provision. Full faith and credit shall be given throughout India to public acts, records, and judicial proceedings of the Union and every state. Final judgments. Civil court judgments from one state are enforceable in any other state. Inspired by U.S. Constitution, Article 4, Section 1. Continuing Article 261. Full Faith and Credit Clause. Significance. Ensures legal unity across states. Article 262. Interstate river water disputes. Aspect. Detail. Clause 1. Parliament may by law provide for adjudication of any dispute with respect to use, distribution, or control of waters of any interstate river or river valley. Clause 2. Parliament may provide that neither the Supreme Court nor any other court shall exercise jurisdiction over such disputes. Implementing Act. Interstate River Water Disputes Act, 1956, amended 2002. Continuing Article 262. Interstate River Water Disputes. Feature. Detail. Who constitutes tribunal? Central government. When? If a state requests and negotiation fails. Composition. Chairman plus 2 members, all must have been SC judges. Continuing Article 262. Interstate river water disputes. Decision. Binding on parties, same force as SC order. Court jurisdiction. Barred, Art. 262. 2. No appeal to SC. Time limit. 3 years plus 2 years extension, 2002 amendment. Tribunal. Year. Continuing Article 262. Interstate river water disputes. Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal I, 1969. Krishna Water Disputes Tribunal II. 2004 Godavari Water Disputes Tribunal. 1969 Narmada Water Disputes Tribunal. 1969 and 10 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. Article 263. Interstate Council. Aspect. Detail. Established by President of India. Purpose. Investigation and discussion of subjects of common interest, recommendations for coordination. Constitutional basis. Article 263. Continuing Article 263. Interstate Council. First established. 1990, on recommendation of Sarkaria Commission, 1983. Chairperson. Prime Minister. Members. Chief Ministers of all states, CMAs of UTs with legislature, administrators of UTs, 6 Union Ministers, PM's choice, Governor of State under President's rule. Standing Committee. Chaired by Union Home Minister. Continuing Article 263. Interstate Council. Secretary. Secretary, Interstate Council Secretariat. Aspect. Detail. Appointed by Central Government, 1983. Chairman. Justice R.S. Sarkaria. Continuing Article 263. Interstate Council. Subject. Center-State Relations. Key Recommendation. Establish Interstate Council under Art. 263. Implemented in 1990. Other recommendations. Governor should be non-political. Art. 356 used sparingly. Rajya Sabha should not be dissolved. Aspect. Detail. And 3 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. Zonal Councils. Aspect. Detail. Established under States Reorganization Act, 1956, not constitutional statutory body. Purpose. Promote cooperation among states in each zone. Established by Act of Parliament, not President under Art. 263. Continuing Zonal Councils. Number 5+1, North Eastern Council. Zone. Headquarters. Northern. New Delhi. Central. Allahabad. Continuing Zonal Councils. Eastern. Kolkata. Western. Mumbai. Southern. Chennai. Aspect. Detail. Continuing Zonal Councils. Established under North Eastern Council Act, 1971, separate from 5 zonal councils. Members. 8 NE states, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim. Sikkim added. 2002 Chairman. Union Home Minister, after 2018 amendment. And 5 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. Interstate Trade and Commerce, Art. 301 to 307 Article. Provision. Art. 301 Trade, Commerce, and Intercourse throughout India shall be free. Art. 302 Parliament may impose restrictions in public interest. Art. 303 Neither Parliament nor state legislature shall discriminate between states. Continuing Interstate Trade and Commerce, Art. 301 to 307 Art. 304 State legislature can impose reasonable restrictions with President's assent. Art. 305 Saving of existing laws imposing taxes on imports from other states. Art. 307 Parliament may appoint an authority to carry out purposes of Art. 301 to 304. Interstate Migration and Disputes. Issue. Constitutional legal provision. Freedom of movement. Art. 19(1) D. Right to move freely throughout India. Freedom of residence. Art. 19(1) E. Right to reside and settle in any part of India. Boundary disputes. Art. 3. Parliament can alter boundaries with state legislature opinion. Continuing Interstate Migration and Disputes. Interstate Boundary Commissions. Various commissions, Fazl Ali, Mahajan, for border disputes. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at keralaprep26 for daily updates.